Hey guys, welcome back to Norway. So, sun is starting to show and it's time for projects. And I'm taking you on a road just to show you what my next project is. I have two projects lined up and here's what's coming. Under this plastic here is an old beat up tiller with a lawnmower motor. That's, well, the motor is good, but not for this tiller. Might need some rust work on the tiller there. Anyways, I'm gonna change that motor out and take that for the other project I got lined up. And over here is an 8-horse Briggs motor that has some recall issues, but the motor is good, just needs a tune up this spring. And I'm going to take this motor and put it on the tiller. And well, I'm going to try and say what I can, but that one is going out. There's still a bit of snow everywhere. We got a snowfall here the other day. I'm going to drag it. I'm going to drag that tiller up through the snow and onto the patio, or what do you want to call it. And I'm going to stand here in the sun, enjoy the sun, and I'm going to stay here and I'm going to work on this project. So the next video you see will be me showing you and doing the work. Stay tuned, guys. Coming your way.